Today I'm going to show you how to add captions to your videos using CapCut. This is super easy and super clean, so let's get right into it. First up, open the CapCut app. Hit New Project. Now choose the video or the clip that you want to add. Once you have the clip, you want to add captions. So head down to the toolbar as you can see right here and go down to text. You can go to auto captions right here. And now you can do generate from video, auto detect the language, and use one of these fonts. So you can just choose one of these. For the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do this. Now it's going to generate your captions. Once it's done generating, adjust it to your liking. So probably about this big, this size. And now just watch the video to see if you like it. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you the best way to make money online with YouTube faceless content in 2025. And that, guys, is how you add captions to your CapCut clip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content, and see you guys next time.